Straight Talk offers several ways to monitor your data and hotspot usage. The easiest and most accurate method is through the Straight Talk app, available on both the App Store and Google Play. After logging in, navigate to My Account and then Usage to see a detailed breakdown of your remaining data, talk minutes, and texts. Alternatively, you can check basic data information on the Straight Talk website by logging into your account. For hotspot usage, which is deducted from your main data pool unless you have a specific add-on, enable the hotspot feature in your phone's settings under Personal Hotspot on iPhones. The app also tracks hotspot data separately and will alert you as you approach your limit. While the Straight Talk app is the preferred method for detailed usage information, you can also use text codes for quick balance checks. Dial #888# from your Straight Talk phone to receive a voice prompt with your balance and data information. Note that this method does not provide specific hotspot usage details. To receive alerts for low data, text Data Alert On to 611611 from your phone. These alerts can help you avoid unexpected data overages. Keep in mind that Straight Talk emphasizes self-service through the app and website, so some older codes may have been phased out to encourage the use of digital tools for improved security and accuracy.